Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Style Explosion, and today is a very special day as we are heading towards Kalyani Motors. It is the D-Day that we have literally been waiting for, and as you have already seen the previous video, I'm gonna be sharing the link of that video which talks about buying my first Maruti car. So आज काफ़ी कुछ एक्साइटमेंट हो चुका है, हमने डॉक्यूमेंट्स फाइनली साइन कर दिए हैं, बिलिंग हो चुकी है और फाइनली ये वी आर गेटिंग आवर फर्स्ट व्हीकल डिलीवर्ड. And it's gonna waiting period is gonna be a little long, but still we are very happy. So and yes, buying my first Maruti car part 2 is here for you guys to binge on. We are going straight away to get the delivery of our vehicle. Today is the D-Day. Yes, and I'm super excited, and I'm gonna be giving you all the updates, everything straight away from Kalyani Motors. So see you there at Kalyani Motors. Bye guys, welcome back again. We have reached Kalyani Motors. You can see all these beautiful cars at the backdrop of me. So yes, it's a very exciting day. It's a very happy day for me because I'm buying my first Maruti car for my hard-earned money. So yes, and we have two lovely ladies here exclusively just to give you an interview. Why you should be buying Maruti car? Why you should be coming to Kalyani Motors? Here is everything in detail. I will be talking and bringing out for you guys to binge on and to talk about. So yes, stay tuned. We have these lovely ladies gonna be talking about Maruti vehicles, Wagon-R, Kalyani Motors and lot more. So yes, I'm gonna be presenting my camera to them guys. So we have Miss Ramya and we have Miss Chetana. Okay, so they will be talking about why you should be buying Maruti car, why you should be visiting Kalyani Motors, and yes, I'm gonna be passing on the camera to them, so they will be talking about. Okay, ma'am. So yes.
Hi everyone, very good evening. I'm Ramya from Kalyani Motors. I'm there here for since 9 years as a team leader. So why you have to buy a car? Yes, we have to buy a car. Since there is a pandemic situation, everyone has to buy a car to save their life, being not into the crowd. So it is very easy to buy a car with a less down payment and fastest moving. There are more cars like Swift, less prices like Alto and Desire, huge seater like 7-seater Ertiga models are also there. So I would like to suggest everyone to purchase a Maruti car with very less maintenance cost and very premium services we are providing with Maruti, with the MCP, everything for the services, everything. And we have models also with everywhere we have a digitalization, and we provide a Maruti most customer satisfaction and happiest car journey. So I wish madam also happy, congratulations and happy motoring.
Thank you so much. So okay guys, so Ramya is gonna be showing us all the pamphlets, all the detailed description of the vehicle, the pricing, the on-road pricing. So Ramya is ready with everything. Ramya, do you have anything to show for our viewers?
This is a newly launched Swift model, so which has got March, in the month of March we have launched it, and this is a new brochures with brochures and everything, which is got in a three dual tone interiors, exterior colors, which is the fastest moving also, and this is a newly launched car. So with highest mileage, VVT engine, with the dual jet injection system, everything.
What is the on-road price for this one, ma'am?
It's actually very lesser than any other models. Like it starts from 7 lakhs, and basic price of a car it is like 5.65. So and the most top end cars also it is not more than 10 lakhs. It is very less than 10 lakhs.
Right.
And we are having a very good offer for this Ashada month also. I would like everyone to just go through the Maruti models, take a test drive, then book a car and have
Guys,
a safe and journey.
please look through the brochure, and yes, you must visit down to Kalyani Motors. They have amazing models. The team here is absolutely helpful. They are extremely supportive. I mean, I can talk about my journey. When I came here, they have been extremely helpful, and all this while they have helped me in getting my vehicle booked rightly. So yes, so this is what you have to book it, and this is the price list. So this is the recent price list of Kalyani Motors. You can take a look at it, and yes, so here is the description. If you really want to talk about the vehicle, you can definitely come here, and yes, With that note, I am gonna be thanking Miss Ramya for giving her valuable time for this interview. Without her help, this would definitely would have not possible. So yes, she's been of immense help, and yes, thank you and all the very best, Kalyani team. You've been doing great job and keep doing the amazing job. And yes, you are fabulous. Thank you. So this is my vehicle. This is the beauty. I told you I could not show you during the last video. And this is my car. It's getting ready. The team is getting my vehicle ready. So yes, this is the beauty. OMG. This is Wagonar, the new big Wagonar. Hubby and Bunny both are excited to get the feel of being in the new vehicle, and I guess hubby's already enjoying being inside the new vehicle. So yeah, here he is, and I'm so sorry I couldn't show him last time. Nagesh sir is explaining us all the features of the vehicle. Hi Nagesh sir.
This is engine oil. Gear oil. Just to water putting the vehicle water. ಬನ್ನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಬನ್ನಿ 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 ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿ